Hi guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a hot air dryer brush. So in case you guys are looking for a hot air brush, then definitely this review will help you. Just open it and see how it works. This is the brush. It's from Amazon and see. So this is the hair dryer. You can see. And they have given me two clips. So it has like a really great review on Amazon. That's why I ordered it just to see how it works. So definitely, yeah, it kind of looks good. So here is it on up, low, medium, high. You can change the setting by this way. So now it's showing turn on. You can see off, then low. Oh. So this is high. This is how the hair dryers dry my hair. Yeah, I mean it works fine. I don't have any complaint for this one, but the only thing I noticed that it has like so much hair, just to pull out so much hair, so it's like really difficult to clean this one. That's the only part I don't like, because yeah, this type of hair dryer is mostly like very difficult to clean. That's the only thing. Otherwise the hair dryer like works fine, and it build quality, everything looks nice. I really love this product. I don't have any complaint about this one. I mean, this is how it works. It's like most of the hair dryers have this same problem, like you have to clean, like this is very difficult to clean. Otherwise it is fine. I mean, yeah, the hair feels smooth, and it definitely dry my hair really fast. Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, it's okay. It's a like a easy and convenient hair dryer, but the only thing that it's very difficult to clean the hair from this brush. That's the only part. Otherwise it's nice and easy to use. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case you guys like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.